dollar yen, we started to follow and we said we are going for a buy only with a double break. Yesterday the double break was around this zone, around 97.25, to break. Sorry, that's where we were yesterday, right here. We wanted it to break up, right, and to hold above the resistance. It never happened. It tried and couldn't do it successfully. Today, on the morning, again during the Asian session, the beginning now on the London session, it tries to break up again. According to the divergence, 4 lows are going up, which is a good sign. It's time to happen. What we want is a double break, a close above, quick pullback and retest, which we call a hold above. Right? We want it actually to hold above this break, and that will be our sign to jump in. First quick target will be the meeting between this trend line, this spots here, this trend line, let's say. Okay, that will be the quick first target to pay attention to. And if it manages to break this up, it might be the trigger for another bullish wave for a long term. That's why if the trigger to buy is coming, and once again I remind you, we want a close above this trend line, a retest, a pullback, and a hold above, right? A hold means that once it is retesting, it's not closing below the line again. That's what hold means. And if it managed to do so, that's a wonderful time to jump in. This will be the first profit, this zone, and then we'll close 70-80% of a trade. Then it can run all the way to the next highs again. Could it not break at all? Definitely. If the situation in USA will keep putting this bearish pressure, this negative pressure on the market, dollar yen will suffer as well, and it can continue lower. And according to the daily chart, I remind you, right, this triangle here, this triangle was broken, never really retested after the move. Only now it's retesting after the move, so we could expect a rise until the triangle again, at least. Okay, so as I said, also that's dollar yen, and I don't think USA will actually go to bankrupt, and I don't think Japan could also give the yen to gain strength too much so fast. That's why I believe it's only a question of time we see this retrace, and I prefer to concentrate on the buys rather than sells. We have one trade running, and that's investor style. That's for longer run. It's not. It does not have anything to do with the intraday and the short-term analysis we do. And I plan to hold this investor style trade to the last high at least, but again I will keep you updated if and when and why and how things could and would change. So that's about the dollar yen. This is the first trigger we might